Hello, Prajakta. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, sir. How about you?
Good, fine. Prajakta, you are applied for front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before starting, tell me about yourself.
Yes, sure, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So, I am Prajakta Mahajan. I am from Udgir and I am pursuing BC in computer application. And I have a knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Can you explain about your previous job, on which domain you work? Uh,
Okay, sir. Means my previous job means there is new new skills isn't required. So I need to change my environment to develop, motivate me and develop my new skills. So I'm previous my so it's a previous job is currently I'm stopped there.
okay. How much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5
Uh, 3.5, sir.
in all three?
In all three, no. In HTML, CSS, 4 out of 5, but in JS, 3.5.
First, we go ahead with the HTML, CSS, then we'll start on Java.
Okay. Okay, sir.
First, tell me what is difference between HTML and HTML4 and HTML5?
Yes, sir. In HTML4, it doesn't support the audio and video, and in HTML5, it supports the audio and video controls with the audio and video tag. In HTML4, adaptive declaration is lengthy, but in HTML5, it's the one-line code. And in HTML4, does not support the drag and drop effects. In HTML5, it supports the drag and drop effects.
Can you explain drag and drop effects, how it will work?
Uh, no, sir.
Okay. What is difference between inline element and block level element?
Inline element to start on the same line. Block level element start on new line. And inline element takes width to equal its content width. Block level elements content width its parent width. And in inline element, we can margin we can margin apply in two direction, like left or right. And in block level element, we can margin apply in all direction. And block level element, we can apply height and width, but in inline element, we cannot apply height and width.
What is key difference between HTML element and block tag?
Tags used are tags is used to holds the element, and element is holds the content. And HTML tags are start with the start tag and end tag, and in HTML start with the start tag, some content, and end tag.
Okay. What is box sizing?
Box size it includes the height and width for content. Content box and border box is their value. Content box includes the height and width for calculating content box, and in border box it includes the border padding and content. It includes calculating for height and width.
What is box model?
Every HTML consists of various properties, and there is 4 property: padding, margin, content, and border. Border is the separates between padding and margin, and padding is the transparent and it's space between border and content. And margin is the space occupied by HTML element. And content is the where we text and image appear.
Can you explain again margin?
Margin is the space occupied by HTML element to element
Where? Where space occupied?
to HTML element.
Yes, I know, but where it will occupy the space?
Yes,
Inside
sir.
inside the content or any other way?
Yes, sir. Inside the outside the content.
Okay. Brush up on it again.
What, sir?
Brush up on it again after the interview on box model. Okay.
Okay.
What is difference between EM and ATAG?
EM is and I tag.
Yes.
I I tag is the italic for used to HTML element, and EM is the uh, bo- uh, bold bold. EM and B is the same work. Bold the HTML element.
Can you explain again?
I is the italic means property italic. They used to at content, and EM and P is the same work for bold the content.
I'm asking what is difference between EM tag and I tag.
EM tag and I tag. Sorry.
What is difference between bold tag and B tag? Strong tag and B tag.
Strong tag means the bold the content. B tag is the I'm confused that
Again, press upon it. Okay. What is that?
attribute is give some information to HTML element to browser. It's called the attribute.
What is float?
Float is the used for formatting and positioning the content. If we apply the float property in any HTML element, is also get affected, means left or right.
And how to remove that effect?
Clear both property. We used to that verify the side effect.
Which type of advanced selector we use in CSS?
Four type of selectors. First is the basic selector, advanced selector, attribute selectors, and pseudo selectors. In basic selectors, we have four types: ID selector, type selector, tag selector, class selector, and universal selector. ID selectors is a symbol is hash. Class selectors symbol is dot. Universal selectors symbol is star, and the tag selector symbol is tag name. And specificity of selectors, we have to ID selector. And in advanced selector, there are also four types. They are also called the combinator selectors. First is a descendant selector. Second, direct child selector. Third is the adjacent sibling selector. Fourth is the general sibling selector. Direct child selector symbol is a greater than. Adjacent sibling selector symbol is a plus, and general sibling selectors symbol is tilde.
Okay.
And pseudo selectors, there are two types: pseudo class and pseudo element. The pseudo class we have to we apply to CSS the particular state, and in element we have to CSS apply to in particular element.
Okay. Share your screen and create one list.
Okay, sir.
And I want to start a serial number with the small Roman number. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. You can see the my screen share.
This is visible.
What gives HTML CSS? Sir?
My question is, show me one list, but I want to its starting serial number with small Roman number.
Yes, sir. But in their list items will be
Yes,
yes. They what is the value of the I say
you
I
can
ask.
use any. You can use
Okay, okay, sir.
any dummy content.
Yes, sir. Lower Roman.
Okay. Now open the index.html file. Again, increase the list to 6 times.
What, sir?
Again, increase the list up to 6 times.
What you say is
We
again?
have three lists: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right?
Yes.
Now again, increase the list.
Okay.
Add
And
add any dummy content again. Yes, it's okay, no problem. Now listen carefully. We have a list in that some content. I want to red color to each
okay,
even li.
okay.
How to achieve it? Just listen carefully. I say I want to red color. Okay, you applying background color and color white. Okay, I say text color, not background color. Okay, now try it.
Okay.
Now create the space between class and colon.
What this?
At line number 7, create a
Yes.
space between class and colon.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Again, brush upon it. Should classes and
No, but yes.
yes, okay.
Okay.
Now we have again one question on that. Listen carefully first.
Okay.
Or we have two boxes. First
Okay.
box height and width is 500 by 500.
Okay.
Okay, and background color is black. Again, we have another one box. Its height and width is 100 by 100. Background color is red. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want mm, second box on the first box, but at the center.
Okay.
Match their both center item. How to achieve it?
Okay. Background color black, na sir?
Yes. Or you can use any color.
Okay. Why is the tops bootstrap link?
Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir. Bootstrap link. This is output, sir.
Okay. Now, uh,
Yes, sir.
box one is take at left. Okay.
What box one is take left.
Yes. That time, how to achieve it? Match the both centered of box, both box.
Both box are left.
Yes. Here, do one thing. Mm, remove the float left.
Okay.
Remove the left 50%. Okay, and remove the absolute. Not box two, only box one properties. Remove that. Transform and top. Yes. Now check it.
Take it, sir.
Open the browser. Now, in that scenario, how to match both centers?
This is the left.
Yes. Now match the both center of boxes. I
Fourth
want to a second box on the center of first box in that
is
scenario. Don't move the black box. Keep it as it is.
sir. In the inspect I am.
You can inspect any whatever you want. You can do.
This is not.
Try it after the enter. Okay.
Is this correct now?
Not like that. Okay. If I change the position of black box, that way that time it will be again disturbed. Okay. You need to press upon it again. Okay. Now, what is difference between visibility and display none?
Display none in display none it will the change the structure of the page, and this visibility hidden it will not the structure of the page. It will not change the structure of the page.
Now we'll start on JavaScript. Okay.
Okay.
Now, okay. Open the app.js file. Take one string. First declare one variable str.
What?
Declare one variable str. Okay, now in that type welcome in the beautiful world of JavaScript. And in JavaScript world, make it J and S capital.
Welcome in the beautiful
Word of
world.
make J capital and S capital. Hard coded at line number 3.
Hard coded, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now listen. I want two Angular word instead of JavaScript. How to achieve it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is difference between factory function and constructor function?
In a constructor function, we used to new keyword, and in factory function means constructor function is a special function that creates the and uh, initialize an object, and in factory function can be defined as the function that creates an object and return it.
Okay, can you show me one example on both?
Constructor function and factory function, sir.
Yes.
This is the constructor function, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Check it again. It's showing error.
Mhm. Mhm. What? Sorry. This is the constructor.
Again, there is one small mistake.
Okay. Okay. Tap it. Correct.
Okay. Now show me one example of factory function.
Okay. Line. All is 20. Okay. This is the output.
Okay. Can you show me one example of splice and slice?
Oh, in that splice method, we can use to add or remove that content. and with that in the element.
First tell me what will be the output, then open the browser. Okay.
Okay, sir. Now this is a 01 CSS replaced CSS no replaced in that index number add to Angular.
Okay. Now open the browser, check.
In HTML and CSS we can
Okay.
Angular add.
Now open the code. Okay. Now remove the
Remove the
one. Keep 0, Angular.
keep 0, comma.
Angular.
Okay.
Remove
Remove
the
the one.
yes.
Okay. Yes.
Now what will be the output?
First index number is the index number where we add to where we add choices, and second is the deleted count number. So 0 is first in HTML before add the Angular. Check that, sir.
Can you explain again? What will be the output?
In HTML before add the Angular.
Okay. Open the browser.
0 is means nothing. We can this is deleted count 0, then add to HTML before Angular.
Again, we use 0, Angular. Why it's not working? First tell me.
0 is there only one value. They deleted nothing any value. So splice in the splice method there are three values. There are mandatory two values. One is index number and second is deleted count number.
Okay. Now show me one example of splice. A slice.
Slice.
Yes. One example of slice. Tell me what will be the output. Then run it. Okay.
Okay. Now continue.
Yes, you can continue.
Okay, in slice, suppose we have to remove the CSS. So see, index number is 1, and the remove then the remove words number, elements number.
Your voice is breaking. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Your voice is breaking.
Hello, sir. Here
Yeah.
is first is the index number. The suppose we have to remove the CSS.
Okay.
First is index number. Second is the that words of elements number.
Then what will be the output?
CSS remove, sir.
At line number 39.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Then in output HTML, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, like that way. Are you sure? Now,
Yes, sir.
yes. But you say only CSS remove, but here showing CSS and JavaScript. Why?
JavaScript.
Why?
Because there is three values, 1, 2, 3. So here add to JavaScript.
Okay. Brush up it again. I'm sharing one declaration with you. Just copy it from chat. Okay. Just a second. Sharing.
Yes, sir.
In chat, I share one declaration with you. Just copy it from chat. Now, listen carefully. Question is now remove the duplicate element from given
Yes,
array.
sir. I understand, but there is no print in unique numbers. So yes, sir. Sir, I want one here is remove.
I say remove the duplicate element from given array. Okay.
Okay. One minute, sir. Yes, correct, sir. Sir,
Yes, I am talking on mute. Okay. Uh, Open the code.
yes.
Now, stages, filter value. Can you explain how it will work?
Uh, there is the I is the index numbers and their value and is the array. I'm not correctly in the English, but I try. I can try.
Yes.
Index numbers and the returns in filters the condition is returns directly, and the array dot index of means is the index of is the value is equal to I, means the only one value is returns.
Why are you putting first value, then second I, then third ARR? If I change their position, it will work.
No, sir, because change the position because returns the array is these conditions is correctly in the values of the returns. Means suppose array is the last the value. So I'm first include the first and index of this value is equal to I.
Okay, no problem. Now we have one array in that we have some edges. Okay. Now double the year edges and I want to addition of all edges.
First double and
Then add it.
after
Add it.
addition. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, it's correct.
Addition in which numbers, sir? Addition with which numbers?
When you double it, then I want to addition of all that element.
Is there any problem, sir? I don't understand.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Sir,
What happened?
uh, this accumulator is not defined.
Okay, you try it after the interview. Okay.
Sir.
Now, what is difference between sum and every method?
Okay. Sum and every it returns the Boolean value means true or false. But in sum that satisfied the given condition in only one condition. Uh, only one condition is true. Sum is returns true. But in every method and every method, if condition given condition is uh, one one condition is false, then returns false. In some and every methods, there are also higher order function.
What about every method?
Yes, sir.
What about every method?
Every method, in every method, the given condition is one is false, then returns all then returns false. But
Okay.
in some method is a given condition in satisfied, the one condition is satisfied, then true, then returns true.
I'm sharing one declaration with you again. Copy it from chat. Now,
What
question
will
is print the largest value of given array.
nine 8 seconds. So
Okay. Now, just a second. I share some declaration with you in chat. Just copy it.
yes.
Don't run it. First, tell me what will be the output. Okay.
This is this is output.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Check it again once.
Check it, sir.
Don't run it.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Now, commit the line number 78,
78.
76. Now, line number at 80, remove the plus C.
B and C.
Plus C. Now, what will be the output?
This is output.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Confirm. If
Mhm.
you want to just then check it again, then
Okay,
open the browser. Okay.
okay. No, sure, it's sure.
Okay, now check the open the console.
Yeah. Okay.
Now listen. Can you print a number in console from 10 to 1 by using
Console
in console? Yes, by using for loop.
by using
For loop.
for loop.
I said 10 to 1. Listen carefully first. Okay.
What? What, sir?
I say print the numbers in console 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, like that.
By using for loop or algorithm.
Uh, okay, you can show me by using function, recursive function.
1 to 10 in console is equal to 4, 10 to 1. Sir,
Okay. Now, just one. I'm sharing one object with you. Just copy it from chat.
this is the
Yes, a story first story detail one declaration. Okay, now print the all value at a time in console.
all value.
Yes, all value.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I say all value, not object. You print the whole objects.
No, sir. Forget.
Okay, try it again after the interview.
Yes.
Now we have one string.
What you say, sir? Please repeat.
Just just a second. Just
Okay.
copy it from chat. I share one declaration with you.
Wrap link.
Yes.
Word wrap.
Yes. And now I want to first paste the code. Yes. We have some links in that string. Now I want to clickable all links on UI. How to achieve it?
Okay.
Wrap the link like
No, sir.
excuse me.
Yes, sir. ID there.
You can.
Okay. Sir,
Yes.
any problem here which
Okay, you try it again. Okay. After that. Okay. Hello.
yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Try it after the interview. Now, uh, last question we have. Can you print the random number between 1 to 10?
Um, where 1 to 10?
Yes, 1 to 10. Print the random number between 1 to 10 in console.
Yes, sir. 10, 9, 6.
Okay, can you remove that point values all? It's showing 4 point something, 1 point something, 9 point something.
This is
Okay. Now, project are done from my side. Do you have any question?
no, sir.
Okay, thank you.